File deletion techniques in Python. Explore methods for deleting files securely and efficiently using Python. The os.remove function is used to delete a single file by specifying its path. It permanently removes the file from the file system, so ensure the correct file path is provided. When deleting files, handle exceptions like FileNotFoundError using try except blocks. This ensures that the program can manage errors gracefully and continue running smoothly. The os.unlink function serves as an alternative to os.remove for file deletion. It provides similar functionality, requiring the file path to remove the file from the file system. To delete multiple files, use loops or glob patterns to automate the process. This approach allows for efficient batch file deletion by matching file patterns and iterating over them. When deleting files, be aware of permission issues that may prevent deletion. Ensure the necessary permissions are in place, and consider secure deletion practices to protect sensitive data. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.